Hi guys, this is short presentation of Cost Manager. It's the application for keeping track of costs. As the name suggests, the application is primarily focused on costs and how did you and where spend your money. Of course, in order to have data, you must first enter it, and that's one of the main focuses of the application. So let's start. First of all, we open the application, and what we see is first screen and the main screen, and we can now add some data. Let's say we spent $4 or something on hamburger, and let's call it food, fast food, save it. That's it. We see that we spent $4, we are -4 overall. Today on default account we spend it on fast food. We can add other data such as $9 for food, let's say groceries, and save. We can add more data like $10 for something like clothes. Let's say we bought a shirt for $10. Okay, now we have some data. We can see some reports. First of all, we see pie, and we can see that we spent $20 on clothes and $13 on food. Okay, that's nice. But let's say we spent $50 on gasoline. We have car, we can type gasoline. Okay, that's it. Now one thing I really want to show you is if you want to add, if you have two cars and you want to see whether you're spending more money or first car or the second car, or you want to see if you're spending money more on food or fast food or groceries, or where did your money went, you can do it easily with this application. You can type, let's say, $40 on car, on insurance. Okay, save. But if we spend $90 on other car, we can add a new type and we can call it car number 2. Sorry. Okay, we have a car number 2. We long press on car number 2. We can add type in here and we can add, let's say, gasoline. Okay, we can add a new type such as insurance. Okay, let's say this was for insurance, $90, something like that. We can add more data like 57 on car number 2. Let's say we spend it on gas. Okay, and we can add, I don't know, like 30 costs on car number 2. Let's say we got it repairs. We can add it on repairs, save it. Now we can go to reports and go to the pie and see how much did we spend our money. We can see that on car 2 we spent $177 and on car 1 we spent $90. Okay, great. But if we go into the deeper into it, we can see where did we spend on insurance, on repairs, on where did our money go. But even more, we can go to the group list and run report, and we can say that we spent $177 on a car number 3. Let's say, what is it? We have repairs 30. We can see what is it. We did it, of course, today 30 on default account. That should be handy. We can also see whatever else costs we did. In order to see car 2 below car 1, we can move folder up and move it once again and see one folder below other. So that's basically it. Rest of the features are of course reports. You can do backup, export database to the storage card, you can export it as a XML, you can export it as comma separated file. You can also add a budget. So let's say we want to spend not more than $500 on a car. Okay, save it. Sorry, and we can add budget for $500 on a car number 2. Okay, save it. And now we can see that we spent $90 on car number 1, and on car number 2 we have spent $177. Okay, that should be there are other different reports which are far more accurate if you are entering more data on different timelines. And of course, in the list you can go and you can modify data and say that, let's say it wasn't this day that the cost happened, it was yesterday. Okay, set it, save it. You can take a picture of cost you made, and that should be mainly it. All one else thing you can do is to add income. Income is minus cost. So let's say we have 1,500 incomes. We can insert it. We can put it in a new type. Let's say call it ENC. Okay. Income. We don't want any description. Okay, that's it. We want to say that it happened on the 1st. So we change date. Let's say it happened on the 1st of the February. We can set date and save it. Now we can see that we had income of 150 and then we spent our money, and in the end we have 1,200. Well, that should be in short description of the cost manager. I think the rest of the application is pretty straightforward. So thank you for watching, and I'm glad that you're using cost manager, and see you guys next time.